one spot, just kind of where it's all dark. Well, it looks like the power went out. There's one. What is that? And the power is out there. There's more. What the hell is that? Well, look, it's all dark there. You can see buildings and stuff, but there's no power. We saw it flash off earlier. And now there's these. That's like weird though. Like, I'm surprised we're not hearing anything. See if we see any more. Is there one over there too? Off to the left.
You know now that it's flooding. The generator's flooded.
That's really bright though. Like that's.